It's really good. I will say it's not going to be perfect. Late afternoon, early evening, I don't want to rule out an isolated storm, but really that's about it. Much of today is going to be absolutely beautiful, comfortable temperatures, comfortable levels of humidity, similar to yesterday. So spot shower storm later this afternoon, early evening for tomorrow, for Wednesday, a beautiful forecast as well. And then our next storm chance doesn't roll in until we get to Thursday after that. But even then, Thursday is still going to be a pretty beautiful day. It's really not looking too bad throughout the day on Thursday. So temperatures this morning, we got down to the 50s and the 60s. It was another cool start to the day for sure. Currently, we're warming up. We're in the upper 60s and low 70s out there right now. Dew points are in the 50s, which if you remember is nice and comfortable. Last week, we had a lot of dew points in the 70s, which was just incredibly humid. Bright right now, couple clouds later on this afternoon. Highs today 75 to 81 degrees. And again, the storm chances are low for today because the coverage is going to be so incredibly isolated. Dry for the first half of the day, late afternoon, early evening, we have those storm chances. I'll show you what to expect for the rest of the week coming up. Really beautiful day, low wind chance for a spot storm. I'll show you what to expect as we head into the upcoming weekend. And afternoon, early evening, not everyone's going to see that. Even if you do, it's not going to be lasting very long. Highs today are going to reach the mid to the upper 70s. Jumping into tomorrow, a lot of us low 80s, nice and dry. Wednesday, low 80s, inland 70s at the coast because of an onshore wind. And it's also going to be dry. This week actually is really nice overall. So here's a look at the radar. We're all completely dry for now. Again, that chance doesn't come until much later in the day. And temperatures are in the upper 60s, low 70s. Some of us got down to the 50s this morning. It was really gorgeous, nice and cool out there. So we're going to stay dry for quite some time. Again, it's late this afternoon going into the early evening hours. We could see an isolated shower or thunderstorm. This forecast model may even be overdoing that coverage. It's really only about a 30% chance. And then as we get to later tonight, we're not even worried about that low end chance. And then tomorrow, it's actually going to be sunshine for a lot of the day. Early tomorrow morning, starting the day with some bright skies, and then eventually some mostly sunny conditions. So maybe not 100%. Blue skies, but a couple clouds here or there as we go into tomorrow. So for today, mid to the upper 70s, 75 to 81. A couple thunderstorms possible late this afternoon, early evening. Dew points are still low in the 50s and comfortable. So even with that storm chance, I don't want you worried thinking that means the dew points are going to shoot up to the 70s again. Definitely not the case. Tracking high temperatures over the next couple days. For tomorrow, a lot of you reaching the low 80s as we jump into Wednesday, low to mid 80s, except for the coast, a couple degrees cooler. You can see a lot of you reaching the mid to the upper 70s along the coast as we get into Wednesday. I do want to talk about the tropics, of course. We have potential storm 5, which is a name the National Hurricane Center gives to an area of interest that is very likely to actually develop into something tropical. This is going to near Puerto Rico as a tropical storm Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Could lead to some flash flooding because of heavy rain there. After that, all eyes are on Bermuda as we head to the upcoming weekend, and it's going to near Bermuda, as you can see, as a Category 2 hurricane. But again, that's not till the upcoming weekend, and then it's just open water between those two. So that's something we'll be watching over the next couple days for our friends and family in Puerto Rico. So 79 for today. Tomorrow, Wednesday, beautiful day. Next storm chance returns on Thursday. Even then, it's an isolated chance again late in the day, 81 degrees. Friday, partly sunny, 82. Saturday, sun cloud mix, 83. First half of the weekend looks pretty fantastic. And then Sunday, we now have storms. Just a possibility as of right now. High temperature is going to be a little bit cooler at 78 degrees.